everyone, and welcome to Minutes Review. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating world of bread. From its humble beginnings to its diverse global presence, bread has been a staple food for millennia, nourishing civilizations and shaping cultures. But in today's fast-paced world, is bread still the king of carbs? Let's explore the history of bread and see what the current market holds for this timeless treat. The ancient origins of bread. Our journey begins over 10,000 years ago in the ancient Middle East. Archaeologists have discovered fossilized remnants of flatbreads made from wild grains, suggesting that bread making predates agriculture itself. Early civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans developed their own unique bread-making techniques, using stone mortars and ovens to create loaves of varying shapes and sizes. Bread through the ages. As agriculture spread, so did the diversity of breads. Wheat became the dominant grain in Europe, while rice provided the base for many Asian breads. In medieval times, bread became a symbol of sustenance and wealth, with intricate sourdough loaves gracing the tables of nobility. The Industrial Revolution brought mechanization to the baking industry, making bread more affordable and accessible to the masses. The rise of specialty breads. In recent years, there's been a renewed interest in artisanal bread making. Bakers are rediscovering traditional techniques and experimenting with new ingredients, creating sourdough loaves with incredible depth of flavor and crusts that crackle like shattered glass. Health-conscious consumers are also driving demand for specialty breads like gluten-free, vegan, and low-carb options. The current market landscape. So, what does the future hold for bread? Despite competition from other carbohydrate sources like pasta and rice, the global bread market is expected to reach $25 billion by 2025. This growth is driven by factors like increasing urbanization, busy lifestyles, and a growing appreciation for convenience. However, the market is also becoming more fragmented, with consumers seeking out unique and healthy bread options. Bread may be an ancient food, but it's far from outdated. Its versatility, affordability, and cultural significance ensure its place on our tables for generations to come. Whether you prefer a crusty sourdough boule or a soft white sandwich slice, there's a bread out there for everyone. So next time you break open a loaf, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and cultural significance of this humble food. What's your favorite type of bread? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos exploring the world of food and culture. Thanks for watching. Love you all.